Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Build It Ahmedia in Athlone, Cape Town.
So our story in the hardware business began in 1964 when my grandfather opened up our very first hardware store under the name of Ahmedia Paint and Hardware. In 1999, this store was opened by my father under the same name. And then in 2021, we converted to Build It Ahmedia following our partnership with Build It. What makes me proud about our store is our long-standing history that we have in the industry, as well as our long-standing history with our suppliers. Combined with the support we get from Build It, it gives us a very powerful place to operate from and provide a service delivery to our customers that is very hard to contend with. The nice thing about the store is we serve such a large and diverse group of people that there really is something here for everyone. Plascon is our #1 paint supplier with the greatest range. We stock the majority of the range and there really is something here for everyone. My favorite Plascon product is Plascon Double Velvet, and it is because it has this velvet sheen which looks incredible, but then it also has just superior durability which is going to last a long time. My DIY tip is that just because something is cheaper doesn't necessarily mean it's going to cost you less in the long run. When it comes to spread rate and number of coats required, you may end up using more paint of a cheaper product than if you had bought a higher quality product to begin with.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary, our resilience iconic, and despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.